Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Darn. How is my foodie fam out there doing? Well, I hope everybody is doing good. Well, today I'm doing a challenge, y'all. The no burping challenge. Mr. Jaleel Odom challenged me to this. So his challenge, I've accepted. So we're going to see how this goes. Now pray for me. Y'all know I don't like to lose. But I gotta drink. I gotta drink to the bottom of this. Yeah, the bottom of this label. Okay? I'ma see. I don't know, but I'ma give it a try. And if y'all watching this, if some of y'all don't know about Jaleel Odom, trust me, you need to go check out his channel, because that's the Burping King. That's the Burping King, okay? That's my baby too. Yeah.
Hey, cousin.
Very supportive of everybody. This one's for you.
Ready?
No, I ain't ready, but I'm ready.
4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my God. Ooh, don't hit the chest like that. Ooh, don't hit the chest like that, baby.
Because I'm trying not to burp. I'm trying not to burp.
You got a good ways to go, child. You ain't made it nowhere.
Nope, not even.
You have like another. This bird. Just give it up.
Oh my God. Listen, I don't know.
Nothing but pineapple.
Jeez.
You failed.
I failed like a mug.
She tried. Move the label.
I failed like a mug. I failed. Oh my. Gee, I tried.
You did a massive burp though.
My word. I swear to Bobby, they didn't want to come out.
Y'all saw the way she held her chest. She wasn't nowhere. Jaleel, you had to beat her.
He didn't even go all the way down, but he went further.
Yeah, he was almost there. Now this is turning into a burping challenge.
How can I not burp? You see all that? Hold on.
Ain't no finishing it.
I ain't trying to finish it.
No, you don't. So now this is turning into a burping challenge. Roberto, I hope you're happy.
Ooh, I even drooled on that one. Baby, bye. And honey, hush. Ooh. I love pineapple Fanta though.
You know what you remind me of? Like that guy that kept on chugging the soda.
Which guy?
He was just chugging soda.
Oh, I seen him. And he do water too.
He's a pro.
Boy, how they do it?
That's something that you.
Ooh, I can't even drink no more. I need somebody to come pat my back and pat. I need. Oh, girl, I need another one.
Another what?
Burp, a big one that come from.
I did a massive burp when I drank that Coca-Cola. I drank Coca-Cola.
When?
Just a minute ago.
Really? I need.
It was massive.
For real? Well, I did the burping challenge.
And epically failed.
Shut up, Shoshana. And I failed. Alright, y'all. That is it. I'll see y'all later. Bye, Foodie Fam. Oh, my. End it. Ooh, I'm